Most meme coins die quietly. Liquidity disappears, holders vanish, and volume collapses. But PONKE's on-chain data is telling a very different story. Despite crashing more than 95% from its all-time highs, PONKE still maintains one of the strongest surviving infrastructures in the Solana meme ecosystem. When you break down the holder data, liquidity structure, transfer activity, and trading behavior, this looks less like a dead meme coin and more like a project attempting long-term stabilization after speculative exhaustion. PONKE previously reached over a $500 million market cap during peak meme mania. Today, it sits around the $19 million range. Most meme coins never recover structurally after losing momentum. PONKE currently has more than 69,000 holders, placing it above most Solana meme projects. More importantly, recent charts show wallet growth accelerating again after months of stabilization. Dead meme coins usually bleed holders continuously until activity disappears entirely. PONKE's holder count recently turned upward, suggesting fresh onboarding, renewed attention, and possible accumulation behavior. Over the last 3 months, PONKE recorded more than 275,000 transfers and over $85 million in transfer volume. DEX trading activity also surpassed 166,000 swaps with more than $21 million in total trading volume. That is not inactive ecosystem behavior. That's sustained participation. Unlike many meme coins dominated entirely by whales, PONKE's trading distribution shows most swap sizes remain under $1,000, with the majority under $100. That means retail participation is still heavily active throughout the ecosystem. PONKE hasn't reached that stage. The liquidity infrastructure is one of the strongest parts of this analysis. The project maintains integrations across Radium, Orca, Meteora, Fluxbeam, and Pump.Fun AMMs, with more than 150 trading pairs detected. Even after the major correction, PONKE still maintains roughly $1.4 million to $1.9 million in TVL. For a meme coin that already experienced a massive speculative crash, retaining that level of liquidity is a major survival signal, because liquidity is usually the first thing to disappear. But here, it didn't. Zooming out to the macro chart, PONKE experienced the classic meme cycle. Explosive expansion, aggressive distribution, then a brutal correction. But eventually, the price stopped waterfalling lower. Volatility compressed, liquidity stabilized, and transfer activity remained active. That often happens during post-capitulation accumulation phases after speculative excess has been flushed from the market. Now, does this mean it's the perfect time to ape in? Not necessarily. But structurally, this is the kind of zone long-term meme traders usually begin slowly dollar-cost averaging into rather than chasing vertical green candles later. The project is already heavily de-risked compared to euphoric peak conditions, yet still maintains active holders, liquidity, exchange routing, and retail participation. Of course, risks remain. A large number of holders likely entered between the $100 million and $500 million market cap range, meaning future rallies could face heavy sell pressure from trapped investors. Solana meme markets also rotate extremely fast, and newer narratives can quickly steal liquidity and attention. But structurally, PONKE currently looks far healthier than most meme projects at this stage of the cycle. The holders survived, the liquidity survived, the routing survived, and the ecosystem survived. Right now, PONKE no longer looks like a disposable short-term meme coin. It looks like an established mid-tier meme ecosystem attempting to rebuild after speculative exhaustion. If you want more deep on-chain breakdowns like this covering meme coins, whale activity, liquidity shifts, and hidden market structure, most traders completely miss, subscribe and follow, because we're going deeper into the data every single week.